Srilada.
Oh, hi, how's you?
All good, what's up?
Nothing, just designing a cushion cover for an interior designer. So she's doing this for one of her clients for living room for Ganpati. They are bringing Ganpati Bappa.
Oh, nice.
So for that we are just curating a cushion cover for her.
Right. So do you offer this kind of service to everyone?
Yeah. To a lot of them, in fact, they can be individual clients, or we work with interior designers and architects as well as directly with hotels.
Wow.
Yeah.
Looks interesting.
Yeah, would you like to see some of our projects that we are working on?
Oh, you have some more?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Come. So yeah, Mitesh, so as I explained to you earlier that when we do hospitality projects, everything starts with a layout. So this is how it comes from the architects, where the entire plan is sent to us, that what is the seating arrangement, what is the spacing, what artifacts will come where, and based on this we have to start working. Of course, the color palettes and all, the certain amount of brief will come from the architect and the balance then we have to start creating based on his brief. So when we did this project, the first thing, this was the lobby. So this was what the renderings had come from the architect. So they send us drawings like that where the layout is there, and they give their inspirations and things that they think they would like in terms of colors or chairs, and sometimes they even put the furnitures that are going. So based on that, then we all at the design team, all of us put our heads together, we research and we say what is going to really look nice in that space and property. And when we started designing, we started with the carpets, and these were the carpets, and then we said since it's very long, let's break the areas up, and we broke it into one which was the reception. Then in the center we thought we would kind of do a circular type of a rug, and then we continued that along the process. Now when we put the colors for the rugs, then we said now what do we do with the upholstery? So obviously we thought maybe muted, maybe not, but then we said it's Jaipur, why have muted looks, and it's the space is long enough to add color. And then Shama started creating designs based on the research we did on the property. This was for the reception area, because when you enter, it's known as a pink city. They wanted floral, they wanted colors. So we kind of gave them a whole lot of different
So these are all customized designs?
These are all customized. So this is not from a catalog, it's not from any book, but it's all recreated, it's handmade, handcrafted, everything from scratch. This is the final picture. So this is how the lobby actually looked after it was finished. You can see the play of colors, you can see the upholstery, so these are the kind of renderings that we get from the architects, and these are various options that we give. It's not necessary that the architect and we always agree on the same option. So we kind of create 6 to 10 options for them, and based on them, by the time we both mutually come to what should be selected for the room, there will be a couple of times that it will go back and forth for the final selection. And here we had to do a carpet because they were at 2 levels. It was very difficult for us to figure out how we are going to do the carpet, and I think Shama and we had to really rack our brains to see how we are going to do this. And we finally did the color placements, and we had to literally cut the carpet this way. You can see these are the diagrams where we made sure that when the carpet is finally done in its place, it kind of, and I'll show you the end result of this.
Wow.
This is what it actually looks like, and I've never honestly seen a bar in Jaipur like this, so I think it's going to be an amazing place. I'd love to go and have a drink there someday.
You can't be in.
Yeah, you should. You're welcome. So this was actually the final graphic that was approved, and this is what the room looks like today. So my entire team of workers had to go from here to do the fixing of this, because this is very important, because any curtain, any blind, anything that is not set well is not going to look nice. A lot of planning between the Taj designers, the architect and ourselves in creation of this entire look for this space.